The Marine Shadow Box urn is designed to remember and honor men and women who have served their country in the U.S. Marines, uniquely and personally reflecting their military service via exact replicas of the Marines' insignia, the U.S. flag, racks and ribbons, photos, medals, tours of duty, the many things that show tribute, honor, and respect and personal history. A revolving stand allows the top and all four sides to be viewed and appreciated. Each Marine urn is designed and handcrafted by veterans for veterans, ensuring that elements shown on each side of the urn are technically correct and properly represent the honor and dignity due one who has served in the United States Marines. The Marine urn is available in maple, oak, or mahogany, beautifully finished inside to hold a sturdy cremains container. The Marine urn can be designed and completed within 48 to 72 hours, ready to be shipped anywhere in the world. Urns are also available for all other branches of the U.S. military.